I am Pekka Säränpää and I'm coordinating the IUFRO Division number 5, Forest Products. IUFRO, the International Union of Forest Research Organizations, offers a global network for voluntary cooperation. The network is open to all individuals and organizations dedicated to forest and forest products research and related disciplines. Forest Products is one of the 9 scientific divisions of IUFRO. Our division includes research on the many factors affecting the way forest plants grow and produce woody biomass and other products, and the various ways the materials are used by industries and communities. Our division also includes research on the production characteristics and use of non-wood forest products, such as medicinal and edible components of forest crops. The very strong cross-cutting theme is the efficient and sustainable use of forests for the good of mankind. Sustainability is composed of 3 pillars: economic, environmental and social. Cultural sustainability has become a growing priority within sustainable development agendas and is now often described as the 4th pillar. Understanding the anatomical, biological, physical and chemical characteristics of wood in cultural heritage contributes to the diagnosis and conservation of it. We can learn a lot from the past, of the practices, representations, expressions, knowledge, skills, as well as the instruments, objects and artifacts. Overall, we can learn a lot from each other, and you are welcome to join our network, meetings and webinars to share your thoughts, ideas and make questions.
My name is Xiping Wang. I'm the coordinator of the Wood and Fiber Quality Research Group in IUFRO's Forest Products Division. Efficient wood production and utilization requires knowing the wood and fiber quality of forest resources relevant to various end uses. Within the Wood and Fiber Quality Research Group, we focus on a variety of topics, such as wood quality modeling, tree ring analysis, wood properties and variability, as well as non-destructive evaluation of wood. The ultimate goal of such knowledge is the sustainable and efficient utilization of our valuable forest resources. The research group sponsors regional and international events such as technical meetings, trainings, workshops, and symposiums. Through these activities, we hope to promote effective communication and discussions among colleagues around the world on most recent research developments.
Research Group 503 deals with wood natural durability and protection of wood materials from destructive organisms in the terrestrial environment and also from marine environments against marine borers. 2 major threats to the expected long service life of wood products, fire and biodeterioration, can be mitigated by proper design, wood modification, or biocidal treatments. A major objective of the Research Group 503 is to present topics of general interest to the international forest research community on wood preservation and fire protection issues by providing a forum for discussing the critical issues facing wood preservation and fire protection in the world today, especially in the midst of the effects of climate change threatening the longevity of contemporary harvested forest-based products, including historical or cultural heritage wooden constructions. The conservation of contemporary wood products, as well as historical wooden structures and cultural wooden artifacts, are important to the sustainability of our timber resources, and which greatly helps mitigate global climate change by securing carbon sinks in the form of protected long-lived wood products.
Hello, my name is Rupert Wimmer and I work as a full professor in Natural Materials Technology at the Institute of Wood Technology and Renewable Materials at BOKU, which is the University of Natural Resources and Life Science in Vienna, Austria. I function as a coordinator for the IUFRO Group 504, which is called Wood Processing. This group is concerned with various aspects of wood processing to enable and sustain productivity in an environmentally compliant and efficient manner. The research group covers activities ranging from sawing, milling, sanding, and the overall machining, wood drying, operation analysis and logistics, up to finishing and surfacing and wood gluing. We see a strong need to develop processing methods to utilize better the resource wood, which is important in establishing the future bioeconomy. We see the need of new technologies to better process an even broader range of wood qualities and species, a development we are facing with the ongoing climate change. Our activities are focusing towards the better use of wood, which will help to create a sustainable future.
G'day, I'm Roger Meader, the coordinator of IUFRO 5.06, Properties and Utilisation of Plantation Wood. The objective of this research group is to understand the chemical and mechanical properties of wood in what is now in excess of 130 million hectare of plantation-grown forests around the world. This research group enables a key link in the forestry value chain by providing phenotypic information into tree breeding programs that in turn aim to improve the future germplasm. It also provides wood property information to the downstream wood processing sector so that they can better understand the current feedstock and optimize the manufacture of a variety of end products. It is vital to remember that wood quality arises from the interaction of genotype by environment by silviculture, and IUFRO members have access to some of the best trials globally to examine the wood properties of these interactions. Working groups within 5.06 have strong focus on teak and on tropical and temperate eucalypt species. In addition, other specialist and emerging plantation species are also part of understanding the properties and utilisation of plantation wood.
Hello, my name is Risto Korpinen and I work as a senior scientist at LUKE, short for Natural Resources Institute Finland. I function as a coordinator for the biorefinery group, and the main aim is to cover the sustainable use, production and processing of renewable forest biomass for energy and useful chemicals. Biorefining affects everybody because we need to replace fossil-based energy, chemicals and materials to sustainable and renewable ones in order to mitigate climate change and create sustainable future and well-being for the planet.
Our session about forest products marketing and business management focuses on future pathways to forests, business and sustainability. Finding new lures of change across complex systems towards meeting the United Nations Agenda 2030 and Sustainable Development Goals is at the heart of the accelerating transformative changes in forest sector businesses, regardless of the size, big and small. So all are welcome to this very interesting session and to participate in the discussions regarding the sustainability in the business and the future of the industry.
unit is coordinated by this speaker, Professor Carsten Smith-Hall from the University of Copenhagen in Denmark. Research Unit 511 on non-wood forest products is committed to unlocking this treasure chest of products, uncovering new knowledge for positive changes. Today, more than 5 billion people use non-wood forest products for food, energy, medicine, and so on. These products are essential to sustain and improve people's lives, and in many places around the world, they are the foundation of sustainable business enterprises. They are also important in the global fights against climate change and biodiversity loss. For instance, more knowledge of non-wood forest products makes the true value of forests more visible, contributing to less deforestation. In pursuit of this, our ongoing work focuses on research into the role and importance of non-wood forest products in the emerging bioeconomy.
Hello, I am Vitaly Gulka, a coordinator of the IUFRO Research Group 5.12, Sustainable Utilization of Forest Products. This unit broadly assesses global issues regarding sustainably produced forest products and provides a forum for researchers who study the production of wood and other forest products in a sustainable framework. Our IUFRO unit examines also forest certification, ecosystem services and markets, life cycle analysis from wood products in sustainably managed forest and the economic contribution of wood products to sustainable forestry. How we can create sustainability, collaborative partnership between young and old generations, more attention to young people, spirit of the young passion, dynamical mind, creativity, imagination, adventure and overcoming failure should be fully encouraged.
Hello, I am Howard Rosen, coordinator of IUFRO's Forest Products Culture Research Group. As human beings, our lives are tightly connected with the forest and its products in many ways. Our interactions and connections with them have created abundant cultures around the world. In the Forest Products Culture Unit, our research emphasizes observing, documenting, and learning how and what bonds our lives to the forest in various fields. Through our studies, we can discover and preserve precious stories related to people, forest, wood, non-wood, and beyond. With a cultural approach, we wish to provide authoritative perspectives of forest-related subjects. Furthermore, it enables us to improve our relationship with nature, to open new ways of understanding the forest and its products.
Hello, I'm Yafang Ying, the coordinator of IUFRO 5.16, Wood Identification, a newly founded unit in 2020. This unit will do the best to establish a global network of wood collections and wood databases to share the information for wood identification and to advance the research cooperation among wood anatomists and scientists worldwide for developing innovative and accurate wood identification tools. Furthermore, to enhance the legal timber trade and the management of timber supply chains. As a new phase of IUFRO, Wood Identification Unit will be significant to promote the conservation of forestry diversity and the sustainable utilization of natural resources for a greener future.